I'm recording you. Turn around. Turn around!
What is this scary movie right now? Alien. Is that an alien?
I don't know.
It looks like an alien.
Ow, fuck. You shouldn't have pools in the middle of your yard.
That's not a pool. That's a raft.
You shouldn't have rafts in the middle of your yard.
Yes, you should. Everyone should.
See, this is how thick the fog is. You can barely see her face. I'm serious, you can barely see her face right now.
Falling.
Ah, shit!
What is?
Jesus Christ.
I know, but there's like hills. And they're sliding down. They're making me slide down. Like
They're
one
negative
goes this way,
slopes.
and then the other one's going this way. And I'm like, ah! Chili.
Chili!
Gone, you homo.
Feet.
Look at that car. You want to see it?
You can't even see it in this. Look at this.
What was that noise?
That would be a bulldozer.